Introducing new sharing capabilities in PDF Spaces, setting a new standard for sharing and understanding information with Adobe Acrobat. Land your message every time by bringing together your files, your ideas, and a customized AI assistant into an interactive experience in PDF Spaces. You'll get a fully editable title, summary, and audio overview in seconds, so your recipients get an instant way to get up to speed before they dive in. From there, you're in control. Edit the overview or reorder and rename files to showcase what's most important. You can even edit the audio summary transcript for a personalized message.
Welcome to the Bodega Bakery Grand Opening Overview. This set of documents outlines the bakery's brand identity.
And add your logo for a polished, on-brand finish. Guide your message with an AI assistant. Maybe you want to add a personalized intro to welcome your recipients into the space, but you're not exactly sure where to start. AI Assistant can draft it for you since it knows all the content. Customize the AI Assistant to give it a persona based on your goals and audience. When you share, the assistant comes along to answer questions and provide recommendations. And if you want to bring your team for some help, you can add them as contributors to edit the space with you. Once you're ready to share with others, choose Share for View so recipients can explore and interact, or Share for Review to open it up for comments. Your recipients get a clear guided experience, not a pile of attachments. And when you update your docs, the information in the experience you share updates too, so everyone always has the freshest view. See who explored your content so you can confidently continue the conversation. And if your recipients have questions, instead of emailing you, they can just ask AI Assistant directly. It answers quickly, referencing exactly where in the documents it found the answer. That's a better experience for your recipients and a lot less back and forth for you. Turn your files into guided interactive experiences, the new standard for document sharing with PDF Spaces.